Alright, that was Forks, Washington. Now we go up to the Hope rainforest.
We'll go back on the Hope rainforest.
Why'd you stop your dancing as soon as I started showing you?
See it, nobody was singing anymore. Wake me up inside. Wake me up inside. Come on. Now it feels more Twilight.
Yeah, totally. Wow, this is cool.
I mean, it's got the same ratings as the lake hikes.
Wait, now I can listen to Golden Hour.
Do you think it always looks like this? Or it's just a foggy day? Wow, that looks so cool.
Does it always look like this?
Yeah.
You know what? These coasts generally are foggy. Like the redwoods, for example, they only can exist within misty places.
Cool.
So it's like always misty and foggy there.
Rialto Beach. You think I should wear sneakers or sandals?
This looks so crazy. It looks like the end of the world.
Yeah.
Think about that. The trees are
This is sublime. Wow, I love these trunks. Wow, this is so cool. What a great hiking spot.
all of them.
These are perfect rock skipping rocks. Wow, a whole beach of them. Cool. Are you gonna take one of the rocks, Kaylee?
Thinking about it.
Oh, you can get a little mini one over here. Yeah.
They can't be that mad if I take pebbles.
It is great firewood. Should we take one or two? Will we get in trouble?
Nah.
We just take like 2 each. Oh, look. Oh my goodness, they do this in the fucking... My grandpa used to do this everywhere. And I read this book. Actually, it was like a vampire book where they did this all over the beach. Should we make one?
I've heard they're bad for the environment.
Really good.
Why are they bad for the environment?
Do them in like rocks. If you do things like these, especially like bigger rocks and stuff, when an animal comes by and knocks it over, it can kill them or kill fish.
Well, there's not that many animals walking around.
This
I know,
one?
on the beach you can just shit.
This is a nice one.
It's a great one. Let's walk to the...
Wait, can I just do one pile first? I'll
Yes.
be quick.
Can you use that one underneath of all of it though, please? The big one?
This one?
Yeah.
It's kind of uneven.
Oh, you got this.
Wow, look at this one. This looks like a bar of soap.
Oh, they're very smooth.
I know. Oh god. No, wait. Let's take this one out. No. Haley, do you have one to add on the
I
top?
like how there's little like a whole bunch of tiny ones of it.
I know. It's so fun. Do you have a really tiny one? How about this one? Oh, I feel like we're playing Jenga. I feel like it's too, it blends in too much.
These are so nice.
No!
I'm so
No!
happy.
Alright. Little baby one. What if this place has shark teeth? Can we look? You download an app that says there's shark teeth? Kaylee, will you see if there's shark teeth with me? Probably not. One time I went to this beach where like the beach was just full of shark teeth, and I've been chasing that ever since. I've been looking for shark teeth everywhere. Nope, it's just a bunch more rocks. Oh. This one's, I'm gonna give this one to Kaylee. Kaylee, I brought you this rock. I brought you this rock. Wait, this one's really cool too. Whoa, Kaylee, look at this one. Wow. That's cool. Let's show it to Mark. Oh, I also got this rock for you, but then I didn't want it anymore. I threw it and then I changed my mind.
Very nice.
The edges are cool.
That is cool.
That's
Oh,
really
that is cool. I
cool.
do like that. Oh, I never showed you my rock.
I got this for you, Kaylee.
Thank you. I will accept it.
Wait, Mark says this is a whale penis. Oh, I totally see that. Oh, cool. It is a wishbone. It's a boomerang. Ah, okay. I know I'm not gonna. That was a nice sound. Do you... A drum circle on the wood? That is a really nice sound. Yeah. It's somewhere over there. You want to keep it? I like it too. It's nice. It's like I want to touch it all the time. It's just soft. Oh, that sounds nice. Wow. Whoa. That's like a little... Oh my god, is it?
It's
dude.
It's either a whale or a dolphin.
Or a shark. Whoa.
That's crazy.
Oh my god.
That's kind of,
Yeah, is that...
That's kind of cool.
Is that like the... Wow, that's fucking sick.
It's still smiling.
Aw, I really want to put my finger in its mouth.
Please don't.
Can I use a rock?
No.
I just want to see what it's like.
It's gonna explode. Oh, it's got like a little tongue.
Sorry, I'm really curious.
See that?
I could get a dolphin tooth. I'll be honest, guys. I'm taking. Cool. That's a nice one.
It's like planets.
That is so like planets.
I wonder if someone collected those.
Maybe.
I'm
Probably.
taking videos of rocks, but I'm actually not that impressed by them.
Yeah, this is rocks.
But I guess it's good to come see.
Oh, there's the hole in the rock. Right there.
Yeah, let's go. I've seen holes in the
I
rock.
don't know if I want to go all the way up.
Do in Mario Kart at the beach map, do you know there's like a secret way if you go over there?
Skateboard. This is a cool rock.
These are cool rocks. It does look like a video game.
Yeah.
Video game graphics. Let's look inside. Wait, well, look at all these little shells.
Oh yeah, mussels.
Yeah. Someone say mussels? Oh my god, that person's scared. I thought it was like, whoa, that rock's moving.
Oh, there's a person in there.
Yeah. Look at the cool trees up there. I really want to go back and dissect that dolphin so bad. I would do it if no one was here to judge me. Or if they just said, yeah, Melissa, you should do it, I would totally dissect that. I want to extract the tooth and look inside of it and open its mouth more. Kaylee said if I touch this, it like sticks. Oh my god, it sticks to your hand. I'm scared. Oh wow, it's so cool. It does stick to your hand. That feels so cool. What's over here? Oh, a starfish. Oh. Wow, so pretty. Wow.
I've never seen a live starfish.
Really?
I didn't see one that.
Cool, touch it. No, I won't. Look, I'll show you. It's really cool.
It sticks to your finger.
It's so cool. It's so weird. Touch it, touch it, touch it. It's so cool.
Oh!
Touch it more. It's so cool. I want you to experience it. What are they looking at over there? Did you guys see the starfish over there?
No.
It's really pretty.
Oh, let's go see him.
Did you touch the anemones? It's so weird.
They grab their food.
It's not. Is it doing it?
It's a little bit. It's really
It's
not.
like.
I think it's busy eating.
Yeah.
That's actually a little.
Oh yeah, it's pulling on.
Oh yeah, you got sucked. Hermit crab might get away on this one.
I think it's going.
Look, they have like a mouth.
There's two hermit crabs. It's like a fly eating trap, but ocean.
I'll touch it too. Touch it again. Record. Touch that. Oh god.
Touch it more. Touch it more.
It's sucking
Stop
me.
being a pussy.
Oh no! Oh, I don't want to touch it too much.
Come on. It can't get you.
Oh, it's so weird.
Put it in that one. Come on.
I'm not doing it. I'm not doing it.
Look, let's all take a photo and then share them all later. I'll take a video.
Yeah, we'll all just get yours. We'll share ours and we'll take yours.
I'm taking a video though. That's the issue.
I don't want a video.
Help? Wait, if I look through my phone, it actually helps. Feliz cumpleaños. No. Feliz
Feliz cumple is like Feliz cumpleaños, and that's probably your name.
Hanako. And an exclamation point? 23. Oh, and that's an upside down exclamation point.
Yeah,
Yeah. Cool.
cumple, anaco.
23. Dummies, it's 24. 2024. Okay, I'm finding sticks to poke this orca. Yeah, someone who saw it, apparently there was like a scientist looking at it, and so it's a dead orca, and they think it's like a stillborn because it hasn't developed eyes yet. I wanna go dissect it. Hey, don't start without me. Can someone film it? Okay.
Oh, it's not right on the bottom.
It's kind of gross because it's like the guts there. I don't want to show that.
I'll get close.
I feel like I'm a dentist right now. Move your tongue to the left. Okay, it's honest. Oh yeah, the eyes like aren't formed yet.
Yeah.
I want to look at the belly, but I feel like I shouldn't flip it over.
You don't want to flip why?
Okay, you're right. Ugh.
Oh. Oh.
Oh, I see its spine.
Oh.
Oh, it's so bloody. Oh, look, here's its bone, its head bone. Wow, its fins are so cool. I feel like this tastes good.
I want to touch it too.
Okay.
Oh yeah. That's
Oh,
cool.
wow, I see the inside of the stomach. Oh, this is the meat part. This is the part you eat. Oh. Wow, look at this. It looks like a mammal.
Well, it
It's a mammal.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
Look at this.
Oh,
You see
wow.
that? That looks like edible meat for humans.
Yeah.
Cook them up. Bring them home.
I honestly, wow, it's so smooth. I would
Very
touch
cool.
it if he wasn't dead.
All
Wow.
right, let's move.
All right.
13 minutes.
Oh,
Just
close.
went by.
All right, we're at the Ho Forest with the hose. First time going to a rainforest outside of the cafe. Is this your first time? Did you say that? Yeah. It's all of our first time seeing a rainforest, so let's see. Let's go see. It just looks like a normal
There's
forest.
gonna be a small trail. We're gonna take a left and go through the hollow mall.
I'm so glad that you read maps, because I don't. Yeah, this is nice. I wish we could sit in there and have a picnic. I don't know what happened.
You wanna like
That's
do
pretty
that bridge
cool.
thing on here?
You want to take a photo under the bridge? I love that there's just like a bunch of people who come here to look at trees. I love that. Oh, you please, do it. Please, okay. Nurse logs. When a big tree falls, it can provide a stage for a new life. Hemlock and spruce seedlings unable to survive on the
When
tingle.
logs go sideways, it makes it hospitable for more trees to go.
Thanks. It's pretty cool. Wow, there's just a bunch of them in this area.
Well, that's a nice furry tree. I'll tell you what.
Summary of the whole forest furry trees.
Rap song, and it's like you starting to read that, and then you mess up on spelling.
And it's
No.
wow, this is pretty, guys. Mark on his phone, like always. Driving.
Not even
It's
looking
like
at the
the
sunset
beautiful
or
view.
driving.
He's just a danger to
I
society.
discorded you this address, I think.
Yeah, I'll get it.
I love what I hear today. Okay, so right now we're driving to Mount Rainier and we're eating carrots. Can you show that hummus? This hummus and this hummus. I wish I could show you while I feed everyone the hummus. Here, I'll hold it with my foot. I'm holding the phone with my foot right now. Okay, Mark. I want to capture you. Okay. I get it. No, take it. Take the carrot. Take the carrot. Okay. Here, you want to capture it? Okay.
That's a good carrot thing.
How much hummus do you like?
That's a good amount.
That was a good amount?
Yours would be better.
More is better? Okay. I got like a piece of red pepper.
I
on it.
never want a light amount of dinner.
Wait, my seatbelt. I just like took you. it's speeding up. Like it's like a lightning subway from Japan. I feel like I've seen a video like that before.
I don't think you can see this at all. I'm vlogging, but Keely and I are in a tent. Oh, I have an idea. Oh, well, you can't see the stars. Well, I wanted to.
that would work.
I wanted to show you guys the stars. Here's us. I wanted to show you the stars, but yeah, I can't. You can't see it even without the. We're looking at the stars. Just believe me. Okay, we're at a new campsite for about 5 hours, and we're packing up to go to Mount Rainier. Good morning. It's freezing. It's 6:30 a.m. and freaking cold. We're here before 7 a.m. You don't need a reservation. Yeah, come down. Keela is no longer being hidden from the world. You're gonna get me copyright strike.
America, America, God bless America.
Look at this forest.
The map. What entry to become a
You're so cheery in the morning.
I wish I brought my one.
I like having friends.
Your onesie? That would have been nice.
It would be so warm. It would be so cozy.
Oh.
So what time are we gonna see?
Where? Oh, wow. Let's go to that.
shit.
Come on.
Holy fuck. Huh?
I want to go to that.
Maybe we will.
Okay. Okay, Mark wanted to get out and look at this. He didn't put shoes on. Oh, I like that tree. Those trees. All of those trees up there. Are you comfortable?
No.
Ever-changing glacial river. As the glaciers that feed them, the channel Nisqually River is constantly reworked by water that flows from the Nisqually Glacier. Cool. Are you gonna read this?
No. Glacial river.
Yeah, I went to that too sometimes. Guys, look behind you, not you, Mark.
Damn. It's too bright. Fuck it's up. Oh my god, look in front of us. 2 videos we'll make TikTok later. Oh, got a little bridge and a river. A little slob. Good to see. Nothing on the left. Nothing on the right. That's pretty cool actually. Oh wow. Actually the beach there is pretty cool.
So pretty.
beach.